what we want is to give each individual a better chance of knowing the amounts of antibodies. You need more than yes or no. It's highly specific, very sensitive, and can be used in even small laboratories. And specificity is very important because antibody testing, if it's of low specificity and low sensitivity, the false positives and the false negatives are going to start accumulating. So we wanted a test that would avoid completely false positives. And I'm happy to report that data from us and from the FDA has proven that our test is essentially 100% specific and 99.6% sensitive. So we have now a quantitation that is very accurate. It quantitates how much of this antibody you have in your blood. And this is the kind of test that from the very well beginning we wanted to design to share with the community without the need of capital equipment, instrumentation that is expensive, and tools that they are difficult to accumulate. And sharing these tools as open as we can with the community at large, it's part of our mandate.